Hello students, in computer graphics let us study about raster scan displays. Basically in the graphics type there are two types, one is raster scan display and another one is random scan display. The most common type of graphics monitor employing a CRT is the raster scan display itself, based on television technology, which is based on the television technology TV. In a raster scan system, the electron beam is swept across the screen, one row at a time from top to bottom, one row at a time from top to bottom, not from left to right. Okay. As the electron beam moves across each row, the beam intensity is turned on and off to create a pattern of illuminators. So you know about this one. When the electron beam or a shade is swept across the screen, automatically the beam intensity is turned on and off to create a pattern. So as you can do with the mobile itself. Picture definition is stored in a memory area called refresh buffer. So using the beam intensity, so which is turned on and off, a picture definition is stored in a memory area. That memory area is called refresh buffer, or it is also called frame buffer. Okay, this memory area holds the set of intensity values from all of the screen points. The stored intensity values are then retrieved from the refresh buffer. So the main intention of storing these definition into the frame buffer or refresh buffer is to retrieve it. So as we are going to store our file in the computer is to retrieve in the future. Similarly, we are going to store. The buffer itself is nothing but a storing area. So wherever you heard the word say buffer, it's a small storage area. So in future we are going to retrieve it from the refresh buffer and painted on the screen one row, that is scan line at time. Okay, in the below picture you can see that. Okay, each screen point is referred to as a pixel or pel of a picture element. So every dot, because it is digital, so dot is nothing but a pixel. The capability of a raster scan system is to store intensity information from each screen point, makes it well suited for the realistic display of scenes containing shading and color patterns. So once these lines or dots have been generated or defined, so automatically it will have the realistic display. Realistic in the sense, suppose if you draw A, so exactly it is A. If you draw O, if you draw circle like that, if you draw alphabets or symbols, so exactly the intended shape will be drawn on that. Okay. Similarly, so here you can see A, here is a B picture, here is the C picture. So you can see how the intensity has been beam of the intensity of defined or okay. In the random scan display, when operated as a random scan display unit, a CRT has the electron beam directed only to the parts of the screen where a picture is to be drawn. Suppose in the screen, middle top or bottom right or bottom left or what you can say, anywhere in the, so directed only to the parts of the screen where a picture is to be drawn. Random scan monitor draw a picture one line at a time, and for the reason these are referred as the vector displays. Almost if you draw the rectangle or a triangle, circle, geometric shapes, any, so these are called vector graphics. Actually, vector graphics or stroke writing or calligraphic displays. The component lights of a picture can be drawn and refreshed by a random scan. So random scan means randomly you can plot the symbols. Okay. So in the random scan display, a pen plotter in a similar way and is an example of random scan hard copy devices. So here you can see refresh rate on the random scan system depends on the number of lines to be displayed. So most of the times, if this buffer is not enough to store or the user or inputted speed, then you can see these type of blurs sometimes. But in the today's monitors, you can't see. If the monitor is not supporting the graphics, or if the graphic card is not supporting the particular things while rendering the images or rendering the video something, so then you can see the basic concept phenomenon, how the lines or the symbols are going to be drawn. Okay, so in the next chapter, based on this random and what you can say raster graphics, how the CRT is going to be how the CRT is constructed or designed. Okay, so CRT is nothing but cathode ray tube. Cathode ray tube. So we will learn how the CRT works, color CRT or mono will do. Okay, in the upcoming classes. Okay.